Hello everyone. So today in this tutorial we'll see how to clean the recycle bin in the Windows computer. So for the people who don't know about the recycle bin, so recycle bin is something that all the temporary files, I mean temporary actions that you have done, so it will allocate some memory in the recycle bin and it holds some of the memory inside it. For example, you have opened some notepad and by you have selected using some mouse, or it can be used with a keyboard or some kind of actions that have been done, so it will create some log. And not only this, so if you have if you are using an internet explorer or Chrome or any of the Microsoft applications, notepad, any of the activities that you do, you're listening to music or anything, so it will create some temporary log file. So either it can be stored in a temporary file and also in the recycle bin or anything. So how do we clean this recycle bin, and where is this recycle bin actually located on the computer? Okay, let's move on to the desktop. In the desktop, when you go to the desktop, so you can see the recycle bin with the name as recycle bin. Okay, so before that, just what I'll do is I will maximize large icons, okay, so that you can see the recycle bin here. Okay, this is the recycle bin, so it's like a dustbin that we have at home. So all the unused waste waste pages that it will be loaded. So this is something a scrap, so that we don't want this. So then if you double click on it, it will open all the temporary files. So this is not required for us. Okay, so what I can do is let me go back, just do a right click on this and you can say empty recycle bin. When I open, so you can see all the dust here, so the unused files, so which is not required and it is occupying some of the memory. So I just don't want to use that. Just you can clean up using right click empty recycle bin. Are you sure want to permanently delete these 94 items? See, you can see that there are 94 items, 94 dust papers that are inside the recycle bin. I don't want to use it. Okay, it's a waste, not required, and it's unnecessary. So just click on yes. So now it is cleaned up. It is like emptying our dustbin daily, right? So we have a lot of dust collected from morning to evening within our house. It is dumped into the dustbin. So now at the end of the day, in the morning or in the night, we have to clean it up, right? So whenever you turn on your desktop or the computer, so just make sure you are cleaning up your recycle bin, so that the performance or of the computer will be very good and it saves a lot of time. Okay, so this is how this is the main importance of the recycle bin. I hope you got some information about the recycle bin. If you're looking for many tutorials related to the computer basics and computer tips that can be used for the personal things to maintain your laptop or desktop in an effective way, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can do like, comment, or if you wanted to know any other information, please do write a comments. Okay, thank you so much.